Chapter 4 Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office is a collection of software programs commonly used in an office environment. To create professional-looking documents, reports, letters, and resumes, MS Word. To organize or compare a large amount of data in an easy way, MS Excel. To create the slides of important notes that can be shown through a presentation, MS PowerPoint. To manage information that can be searched, compared, changed, or manipulated, MS Access. To send and receive emails and to synchronize them, MS Outlook. Features of MS Office. File tab. File tab is the location for most of the commands that were located on the File menu and Office button in previous of Microsoft Office. The ribbon. The ribbon user interface is a task-oriented graphical user interface GUI. The ribbon is divided into two parts, viz, tab and groups. Mini toolbar. Mini toolbar is a type of context menu that is automatically shown by default when text is selected. The purpose of this feature is to provide easy access to the most used formatting commands without requiring a right-click. Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar, which is placed in the title bar, serves as a storehouse of most frequently used functions, such as save, undo, and redo. The Quick Access Toolbar can be customized. SmartArt. SmartArt can be found under the Insert tab in the ribbon. There are 115 preset SmartArt graphics layout templates in different categories such as list, process, cycle, and hierarchy. WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get. With WYSIWYG, a document appears on the display screen exactly as it will look when printed. MS Word. Word is a word processing software package. Word processing is perhaps the most common and comparatively easier application to work on any computer. It is one of the most widely used word processing software where we can edit and format our text. MS Excel. Excel is a calculating software which consists of electronic spreadsheet. A spreadsheet is a matrix of rows and columns, generally looks like a page in mathematics notebook. The grid is known as a cell in which we can enter text. We can apply certain formulas to perform simple and complex calculations. Excel is used to make the charts and compares the data among the values. MS PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a presentation software that can be used to communicate your ideas effectively through visual aids that look professionally designed yet are easy to make. With PowerPoint, you can create slides using text, pictures, sound and videos for your presentation. In addition, you can prepare speakers' notes, print an outline and handouts. MS OneNote. Microsoft OneNote 2010 is a digital notebook that provides a single place where you can gather all of your notes and information. It gathers users' notes, handwritten or typed, drawings, screen clippings, and audio commentaries. It is a virtual notebook which makes it easy to gather, organize, find and share the notes and information more efficiently and effectively. MS Publisher. Publisher enables you to create publications such as greeting cards, banners, CD or DVD covers, etc., even if you have no previous experience of designing. It comes with a range of pre-designed templates. MS Access. Access is a relational database management system which helps user to organize data. With Access, you can enter, modify and extract data based on specific criteria. You can also create forms and reports. For example, students' report cards, Payroll of the office employees can be prepared by using MS Access. MS Outlook. It is designed to assist the user to manage emails, appointments, contacts, and tasks, as well as track activities, open and view documents, and share information. The components of Outlook are Inbox, Calendar, Contacts, Tasks, Journal, and Notes.